Yeah, welcome back to my channel. This is Mozi Joab. Channel we've been learning about computer literacy. Previously we've dealt with Microsoft Word. So today we are going to dive into a new thing, which is Microsoft Excel, commonly known as spreadsheets. So it's a tool used to compute, we can say in school we can use it for making reports, giving grades, giving positions to students where you have very many students and you need a quick tool to grade them, like give them positions who came first. So to make all that work easier, manipulation of small functions, we could use Excel. So that's a quick review into Excel. So we go to our toolbar, we search. Now it's usually under Microsoft Office, so but let's put directly Excel. So Excel, there it is. You double click on it and you open Excel. So generally Excel is very simple to do. It's one of the simplest for me because it's straightforward. So we create new, so we work, we create a blank workbook. So unlike the other side, it's called a document in Microsoft Word, here in Excel it's called a workbook. A workbook has sheets. So like the way you open your book and then you keep on turning page by page, same thing here. You have a workbook and then it has sheets. So if you come down here, you see the word sheet 1. So we could make as many pages of this as possible by just adding. You keep on adding until you have as many sheets as you want. Let's say one is to compute mathematics, the other one could be used for computing English and all that. So if we see the tools that are in Excel, most of them are almost as similar to the ones in Word. So in Excel, we are dealing with sheets, and under sheets are divided into, we have cells, many cells. So if we point, let's say at it, the cells are numbered, the columns and rows. So the columns are numbered according to alphabetical order: A, B, C, column A, column B, column C, until infinity. Then our rows are named 1, 2, 3 in number. They are given values. So you can go to the first column, first row, second row, third row, until. So we have what we call a cell. A cell is an intersection between a row and a column. So for example, here we could just say this point where the 3 meets with the C, the column 3, the row 3 meets with column C. That is now our cell. Then we have what we call an active cell. An active cell is the one where you pointed your cursor and it's actually highlighted green, meaning you can now use it to enter data. So if we put here now our B4, it is named, the column comes first, then the row next. So in B4, here we have B, then 4. Now that is, if you click on it and it's highlighted green, now that is our active cell. Yeah. So generally it is a very simple tool to use, and like any other document, it also needs saving. So immediately after opening into our Excel workbook, we need to save it so we don't lose the data. And we press this icon of save. We call it, for this document, let's call it our Excel for learners, let's say. And then we could choose a location where we want it. Choose a location. For example, we have our, remember we have our folder on the desktop. So we could choose our folder on the desktop. Save. we could use, let's say, Edwin. It's also a folder there, so we could send it to Edwin and we save it. So next time with anything we adjust here, as long as we keep on saving, we will always find it in our Edwin. So it has tools. We have home, which has all these. You can copy, you can paste, you can. Then we have insert. In insert, it's the one that helps us to illustrate. You can use it to put tables, you can use it to insert charts. So it is basically a simpler tool. And next, now in our next video, we will learn how to manipulate, how to enter data, how to enter functions, how to compute all this work with Microsoft Excel. So please stay tuned for my next video as we dive deeper into Microsoft Excel for a better understanding. I remain Muhoozi Joab. Please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then recommend for any person. Anything you can comment, so we could have better videos next time. Thank you.